This is Roma Termini bus station, and that was Roma Tiburtina station, and this is Roma Tiburtina bus station. रात की 11:15 बजे और मैं अभी अभी पहुंची इस एरिया में जहाँ पे हॉस्टल है, और एग्जैक्टली कौन से बिल्डिंग में हॉस्टल है वो देखना है। सामने वाला है। रात के 11:15 बजे है, लेकिन फिर भी रास्ते पे कोई नहीं दिख रहा है मुझे। इनफैक्ट व्हेन आई वेंट टू जर्मनी, फ्रांस, स्विट्ज़रलैंड में भी तो मुझे लोग दिख रहे थे। इस टाइम पर भी काफ़ी पब्लिक दिख रही थी, यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रहे। चलो लेट्स एंटर। So this is the hostel where I'm going to stay for a day. It's called Roma Scout Center. This is the entrance. Here is the entrance. Then on the right side of the entrance we have the reception, and then here you have some kind of information, and then here you have information about how many rooms are there, I mean how many floors are there, and where are the rooms situated. Like over here on the -1 floor they have the bar restaurant where I will get the breakfast from morning 7:30 to 9:30. It is complimentary. And then on -2 they have meeting rooms, chapel, parking, and the SWC. We will go upstairs and see. There are two ways of going upstairs. One is through the lift and the other way is through the flight of stairs. So I will probably take the flight of stairs to explore it more. So far the hostel looks clean and is also smelling good. The walls are green. Okay. My room number is 13. This is 1.02, meaning first floor, room number 2. I guess room number 13 will be this side, because here I find all odd numbers, and these are all even numbers here. So 11, and this is 13. So this is my room. And what else? I will enter in, but I have to see the washroom also. Okay, so this is the washing area. You have 3 wash basins, and you have toilets here. This is another one. This is another one. Okay. You have the hair dryer. And then here you have the washing area. I mean the bathroom. So bathroom doesn't have a full door. It is not even closed. It's like this. So these are the only bathrooms that you have over here. They do not have closed doors. So let me just see how it is. Okay. And there are hooks over here to hang your clothes. This is my